and the hair set that I got last week versus the hair set I got this week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. So if you already read the title, you already know it's Max Hydration Day. We use the Max Hydration method to boost moisture for dry, frizzy, dull hair that will definitely enhance your curl pattern. Styling your hair will become much more easier. You will also have less breakage, less shedding, and be able to retain growth. The 5 steps to max hydration is to clarify, strengthen, condition, detox, then style. Step 3 is for low porosity hair, as after using a strengthening treatment, your hair can become dry. If you are high porosity like me, you can go ahead and skip the step if you like. And I've been doing this method since 2017. My first video that I filmed was in 2018. I am finally sticking to the correct and right routine and proper ingredients for my hair. Believe it or not, this is day 9 hair. This is a day 9 wash and go. The first step is pre-poo. A pre-poo is not part of the max hydration regimen, but I go ahead and do this because my hair is fine and will dry out and tangle easily after I clarify. If you have hair quality similar to mine, go ahead and do a pre-poo with a hot oil, a deep conditioner, or even an Ayurvedic hair mask. Like I said, it's not part of the routine, but if you'd like to go ahead and try it, go ahead and do so. So to get into this, I don't want to waste any much more time. Onion juice. So I sat with the onion juice for about almost 2 hours, and I just rinsed it out clean in lukewarm water. I kept the twist and I did not unravel. I'm going in with a shampoo that my dermatologist did recommend to me because I did explain to her that I had excessive itching, dandruff. I'm using the free and clear medicated anti-dandruff shampoo for sensitive skin. Now, I learned that my scalp is very sensitive to certain ingredients, so I apply the shampoo on my roots and then I rinse it off so it can just drip down, but I do not allow the shampoo to fall down on my hair because the stuff will take out every moisture that I just put back in my hair. I don't want that. Just to begin, I literally just take the bottle and I go into the parts first. So the shampoo has been applied to my scalp, and I'm going to go ahead and just sit down for the next 5 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse out in lukewarm water, and then on to my next favorite part, the Cherry Lola treatment. The Cherry Lola is definitely a major key to the step. It's one of my favorite homemade deep conditioning masks. The recipe definitely does make a large batch. If you have leftovers, go ahead and store it in the freezer for up to 1 month. You definitely can use the hair mask even when you're not doing the max hydration method, especially if you're transitioning or if you have breakage, damaged hair, or you just want to do a quick protein treatment. All right, so I rinsed out my shampoo, and now it's time to apply the Cherry Lola. So I'm going to apply it all over my scalp, and then I'm going to remove the twist. Alrighty, so everything is applied. Every hair strand is fed the Cherry Lola. My hair is starting to dry up already. I don't cover my hair. I sit with this and let it air dry for a minimum 1 hour. Well, 1 hour is pretty much fine. You can even do a half an hour if you like, but I like to do a minimum of 1 hour. And then I will rinse it out in the sink with lukewarm water again. And then we'll be back for the detox. Right, so I'm back from rinsing out the Cherry Lola treatment. And the hair. Look at that. Look at that. The curl pat. Look at that. Come on. So I got my clay mix here, and I'm just dampening my hair with rose water. So the clay part is pretty much important to me. It is the last step before styling. So you want to make sure that you give every single strand love. So you want to make sure you detangle, finger detangle. I have to clarify that. We're going to finger detangle. We're not going to use a brush or a comb. But you want to make sure you really detangle your hair using your fingers, just to make sure that every curl and coil is defined. I always start with the back and always apply from the roots all the way down to the ends, and make sure you finger detangle. Most times too, your hair will naturally clump together, which is a good sign, but you don't want too much of a big clump because you want to really make sure every single strand is coated with your clay mask. So I'm going to sit with this for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out clean in the shower. And then in the shower, I will go ahead and apply my DIY leave-in conditioner. I am complete. I rinsed out the clay mask in the shower with lukewarm to room temperature water, and then I applied my DIY leave-in conditioner, showered as that sat, and then came out the shower and applied the rest of my styling products. But we can see the definition though. Look at that. I mean, compared to when I applied the obviously I'm going to say it wrong, but the Adwa Beauty to my hair, compared to when I used the Adwa whole styling line, the Biomint from Adwa Beauty, that whole line, you can tell a big difference. And for me, my roots have to be laid. For me to have a really good wash day and for it to last and to have minimal shedding and to lock in that moisture, I literally have to lay my hair from the roots all the way down to the ends. And to do that, I have to use a natural ingredient. I can't use like a store-bought product. And you guys can see. So I'm gonna air dry, and then before I go to bed, I'm gonna tie on my silk scarf, and then you guys will see my hair tomorrow morning. All right, so today is day 2, and my hair is 100% dry, and I'll let you guys see it. I don't get much volume on day 2, but for the most part, I wanted you guys to see how it looks. I'm still gonna have like that shiny wet look. You'll see in the back. And just to soften the cast, because I did use gel, I did my DIY leave-in and then an oil, and then I used a gel. So I don't know if you can hear it, but my hair is a little bit not super duper crunchy like an Eagle Styler crunch, but obviously there's a gel cast. And I'm just going to use the Blue Tansy treatment serum by Adwa Beauty, and I know I probably pronounced Adwa wrong, but it is what it is. But this serum, I really like it. This was an investment. The Blue Tansy treatment serum, it's to strengthen and repair. I just do about 2 to 3 pumps, and I just run it through my hair. And that's pretty much it. And that is it. You can see in the back. It smells good. It feels good. The moisture is locked in. And I know for a fact my hair's going to stay like this, just like the last hairstyle, for a good 9 days. But I'm not going to keep the style for 9 days. I will probably wash on day 7. During the time from today until the next wash day, I do not refresh my hair, and I do not create volume to my hair. So I don't take a pick and I don't fluff. I naturally will, you know, over time lose moisture and my roots will puff up, especially because too I do work out. I sweat a lot on my scalp, but other than that, my hair will stay laid. When you use the right ingredients, you know what your hair likes, your hair is going to stay. I do the max hydration once a month. It's a once a month type of thing for me because my hair doesn't lack moisture. I just like to give it an extra boost of moisture, and especially a full cleanse. You can do the max hydration once or twice a month. I think that's perfect because you don't want to be over cleansing your hair, especially if your hair's already dry, because to get the full benefit of max hydration, you have to cleanse your hair. So cleansing as in clarifying, removing all the buildup. If your hair's already dry, you don't need to repeat this more than once in a month. The max hydration, it's all natural, so it's safe for any type of hair, whether you're transitioning, even if you're chemically treated. But I know the whole point to have chemically treated hair is to have straight hair, but the point is it brings back the moisture into your hair. No matter if you're coily, curly, or kinky, doesn't matter your hair type, your hair texture, the max hydration will benefit anyone, even if your hair is straight. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you already know I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.